Welcome to part one of what's in my Pro Makeup Artist Kit. This will be the Complexion series, so let's dive in and see what I use. For foundation, I love using the Kat Cosmetics cream formula along with their airbrush foundation. For fuller coverage and mature skin, RCMA. I also like the Makeup Forever palette, and for liquid, I love the Bella Me Hybrid Serum Infused Foundation. That's perfect for all skin types. For primer, I like the Laura Mercier Illuminating and Matte Primer. For someone that sweats a lot, I like using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I like this for color correcting and having a nice satin finish from Smashbox, and the Primer Water for airbrush. For concealer, I like using the Shape Tape regular formula along with the creamy formula for drier skin. I love the caffeine infused concealer from Bellamy for puffy eyes. And then I also like the MAC Pro concealer palettes. For color correcting under the eye, I like the Tarte Glow-Ons, and I also like the Becca Illuminating Under Eye Brightener Correctors. I also like using the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. For setting sprays, I like the Milk Hydro Grip Set. I also like the Ben Nye Final Seal, and for a lighter finish, I like using the Skindinavia setting spray. So this is everything that I use for the complexion, and stay tuned for part two as I go into contour, highlight, and powders.